Today, I'll be discussing how you can be able to add page numbers to your document. Not just page numbers, but different formats of page numbers. We have two major kinds of page numbers we can add to our documents, and that is Arabic numerals and Roman numerals. If you are writing your research paper, or maybe if you are writing your thesis, project, dissertation, whichever level you are, maybe a BSc, MSc, PhD, and you are writing your research paper, you'll be expected to add page numbers to your document. Now, we have preliminary pages and we have the main body of the research paper. In the preliminary pages, you are expected to add Roman numerals. Yes, Roman numerals. That is the page numbers you are to add in the preliminary pages. But in the in the main body of the research paper, you are to use Arabic numerals. If you look at the screen of my computer, you will see the first one is Arabic numerals. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is Arabic numerals. This is the kind of page numbers you are to add to the main body of your research paper. The main body of your research paper can start from the introduction down to the conclusion, whereas the preliminary pages can start from the cover page down to abstract. Sometimes abstract can also be part of the main body of your research paper. So abstract can also start from, can also use Arabic numerals, depending on the requirements of your school. Some schools will say abstract should also be part of preliminary pages where you use Roman numerals. And if you look at the screen of my computer, you will see the format of Roman numerals. So I will take you to the body of a typical research paper I have here. Then we can see how to add Arabic numerals is not always difficult. The problem starts from adding the Roman numerals. So please follow me carefully so that I will show you how you can be able to add the Roman numerals, then continue with your Arabic numerals. So here is a typical research paper I have here. There is a research paper I have here, and we are now to add the page numbers. If you go straight to insert, sorry, let me point out this. I am using Google Documents. I am using Google Documents. And in case if you are new to Google products and you also want to be using Google Document to write your research papers or to write any other documents, there are a whole lot of benefits attached to it. And that is because you can't easily lose your documents. You can travel to any part of the world. All you just need to do is to get any computer wherever you are, log into your Google Drive and have access to your document and continue with your work, or even download it from there. You understand? So you must not be carrying your computer along and some other things like that. So the document, the security features in Google Documents, I enjoy it a whole lot. So most of the things we'll be discussing will be based on Google Documents. However, they have similar features with Microsoft Documents. In case if you are too much familiar with Microsoft Documents, you can also apply the same measure. So if you are using, if you are new to Google Documents, just go straight to your your and Chrome and open a new space like this. Then go straight to this and search for your drive. Go straight to your drive. I have to point out this because it's not everybody that is used to Google Documents. So you go to new, then go to, you can see Google Document here, then click it. It brings you straight to Google Documents, then you start working on your paper. So I just want to point out that so that you can easily flow. Now, let's continue. This is a typical document we have here. Let's now go straight and add page number. You can add page number through insert, then you can see page number here. And once you get page number, you can see options here. Go to more options so that you can set up your options and it can be able to flow well. So you can decide to add to whole number or to whole document, that is the entire document. Add the page numbers to the entire document, or to just a particular section, or to just from one particular section forward. So let's say we want to add to the whole document. If you add to the whole document, I want the page number to be at the down part of the document. Then I want the numbering to start from 2. So I also want to, I don't want to include numbering in the first page of the document, being the cover page. So I don't want to add to that one. So I can apply. You can see this is the first page of my document, and you can see this first page, there is no page number there. You can see it, but on from the second page, being the declaration, there is page number. Then it starts from second page. I think there is a breakout. Then this is approval. You can see 4. Now this one is not actually a major issue here. Major issue is how do we add the Roman numeral page numbers in the preliminary pages and still continue with the main body of the document, being from chapter 1, and continue with that. So pay attention and follow me carefully so that we can be able to do that here. So what we do here now is let's remove the page numbers. Just click here and then remove the page numbers. Once you remove, then it will be out. You understand? So all the numbers will be removed. So let's say we want from this first page, we don't want to add any page number. Yes, like being the cover page, there is no need of you adding the page number. But the second page being the declaration, or wherever, however you are arranging your own document based on the required format for your school. Every school has what we call approved template for a research paper. So go get the approved template for your school so that you can know how to arrange your document. So let's say the next page after the cover page is a declaration page. So we want to add this one to be in Roman numeral. So the first thing you have to do is go to insert, then go to break. Please break this section break to next page. Click this one, click it. We have break that section. Then once you break that section, this will appear. You can see this thing. You can see different first page link to previous. Please uncheck this link to previous. Uncheck it, then check this one. Check different first page. Click on it like this, then unclick this one. Then you come to wherever you can decide to have your page number by the left or by the right or by the middle. Me, I like having my page number by the middle. So what I do is Roman numeral. The first one I don't want to add, so I'm starting with page number 2. And remember, it should be in lowercase. Page number 2. 2 like this. Please follow me carefully. I don't want you to be in a hurry. 2 like this, but I want to bring it to the center. So you centralize it. With this now, we've added this particular page number to this one. And here is it. You can see first page, there is no anything like page number there. And second page being our declaration page, we have it as this. And if you go to the third page, being the approval page, there is no page number there yet. So we want to make it to be number 3. Please go straight to insert, then click the break next page. Good. Break next page. So you click the bottom part of it, the down part of it, where you want to add, being the footer section. Click it. You can double click it. Just, I don't want you to be in a hurry. Just double click here, double click it like this. this will appear. Please on click this one, remove this one. Then you now add, this is 3, good. Then you highlight it and make it to be at the center. With this, you can now double click the body of the paper, it will disappear. This one is 3. You can see this one. You can see this one, this 3. If you don't follow this method, then what will happen is once you write something like 2 here, you write 2, 3 here, 3 will appear in all the pages. Let's do an example of it. Let's open a new Google document by clicking the file, then come to new, click file here, come to new document. You want to open a new document. I want to show you what will happen if you don't follow the style we followed, the steps we followed now. So let's say we have different pages. Yeah. So let's say this one is A, and we have another page to be, let's just do it a kind of a rough something just to use it. So we have 2 pages. Okay, let's make it 3 pages. This one will be C. This is just a rough work. There is nothing we are using it for. Now come to this first page here. Come to this first page here under the down part. Double click it the same way we double clicked without any doing anything. Just type something like I, like this, and centralize it. I want to show you something. This is I, right? Now let's go to the second page. This is second page, BDB. Go to the down part. You can see that same I. You can go to the third page. You can see that I. Even if you have 100 pages, this I will appear in the footer of all the 100 pages. So the best way to do it is you come from straight from insert, then you break this page. Let's go straight. Let's remove this one. If you remove this one now, other ones will remove. You can see it. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Other ones are gone. So let's do the same thing we did before. We now move to back to where we were before. Come straight to insert, then go straight to break next page, then come here and type your I in the first page and centralize it. Sorry. Double click the footer section, differentiate first page, then type your I like this and centralize it. This is our I. Now let's go to the second page where we have B. You will see that you won't see this I being page 1. You won't see it here. It's not here. So you can now come here, then go straight to insert, then break the page, break to next page, then go here, double click the footer section, then page 2. Please do not allow this link to previous. Do not allow it to be like this. Make sure that you remove it by clicking this different page and also click this one to be this way. Once it's like this, you write your page number to be page 2, centralize it if you want your page number to be at the center. You can see this one now. This is page 1, then this is page 2. Remember, we've not break the page. That's why we are still having it. Break it, break the page, break to next page. Good. So you come back here, add your page 3. But before that, click this one, then click this one, and make it to be your page 3. Centralize it. Centralize it. So with this now, you can see we have page 2 and we have page 3. and we have page 1. So let's go back to the document we are working on. We did not add any page number to our cover page. Then our numbering starts from page 2, which is declaration page in Roman numeral. Then approval page, we have page 3. Then acknowledgement. Acknowledgement will now be our page 4. Just follow me carefully. What are we doing? First of all, go to insert, then break the page, break to next page. We've done that. Then come back, double click the footer section, and hold on. Good. Go back. This is where we were. Acknowledgement section. So double click it. Make sure this one is not linked to previous page by unchecking and check this one. Good. This is page 4. Page 4 in Roman numeral. In Roman numeral, different page. Correct this one. And centralize it if that is the format you want. You are done with that. So we have our page 3 being the approval page, then page 4 being the acknowledgement page. Follow me carefully so that you also see how you continue. When we get to the main body of the work, you see how you also continue. You understand me now? By adding the Arabic numeral page numbers, and it will still continue from that section. So this is dedication page. Dedication will now be our page 5. Remove this one. This is not what we need to have here. Remove it again. This is our page 4. So our dedication is page 5 now. The first thing we are doing is to break the page. First of all, go straight, break the page, break it like this. Oh, sorry. Go to insert, break the page, break to next page. Yes, we've done that. Then you click the footer section. Then make sure you are not linked to you are not linking to previous page. So different page. Good. It must be this way before you now type the page 5. This is how to write 5 in Roman numeral. So you centralize it if that is what you want. Centralize it in this way. Then you can see we have our page 4 in Roman numeral, and we have our page 5 for dedication in Roman numeral. So with this now, okay, we also have our table of content. Let's close this blank page. Let's close the blank page. Good. The next page now is table of contents. So this table of contents should be our page what? Page 6 in Roman numeral. So the first thing we are doing again is to break the page. Make sure you follow me carefully, and that is because I want you to. I have gotten a whole lot of complaints, people comment, help me structure my work in add page number. People find it difficult. So small things like this shouldn't be giving you problem, you understand? So that is why we are here to assist you to gain this knowledge. And once you know how to do it, it's already part of you. You understand me now? What you don't know, you don't know it. So break the page, break to next page first. Break to next page means that we want to separate page 6 from page 7. Our page 7 now will be abstract. Then the next thing we are to do is to double click the footer section. Then we don't want page 6 to be linked with page 5. That is why we are not linking to previous page. We want this page to just be different. You understand? So the first thing we are doing is to break page 6 to be different from page 7. Then the next thing we are doing is to make sure that page 6 is not linked with page 7. If you link it, it means that the same page number you have, or the same footer information you have in page 5 will also appear in page 6. So make sure you do not click this one. Click this one first, differentiate first page, then also this is exactly what I was saying. If you do it like this now, different first page, but also link to previous page, you can see this automatically appears. That is the page number we have in the previous one, being page 5. So how do we do that now? We uncheck this one. Once you uncheck this one, you see it disappears. Then you now bring in your page number in Roman numeral, then centralize it. We are done with that one. So the last page in our preliminary page is abstract. So that will be page 7. What is the first thing we are to do? Let's break the page by going through insert, then break the page, select break next page, section break next page, select that one. Then the next thing we are to do is to double click this footer section. Double click the footer section. It appears like this, then page 7. But before you type this page 7, click this different next page, unlink this one, then you type your 7 in Roman numeral. This is our page number in Roman numeral. With this now, you are done with that particular section. So we are done numbering the preliminary pages. Now, numbering it like this is not actually the problem. Another problem comes in how do you now continue numbering the main body of your work with the Arabic numbers from here now? How do you now continue? This is our chapter 1, being the background to the study, and we want it to be in Arabic Arabic numerals like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. We want it to be in this way. So what do? We go back to our document. We want introduction to be page 1. We want introduction to be page 1. Let's see. Just follow me carefully. Don't be in a hurry. Follow me carefully. Good. We want this to be page 1. So what do we do now? What we do is go straight to your to this footer section, or possibly go straight to insert insert page number. You can see page number. From insert, locate your page number, then go straight to more options. Click your more options. You can see from apply to this section. So click this small arrow here. This section forward. Select this section forward. This section forward. And where do you want it to be? Want it to be at the footer. We don't want the page number to be at the header section. So show on first page. Yes, want it to also appear in the first page. Then start numbering from 1. Yes, want it to start from 1. Yes, want it to start from 1. So not continue from previous section. So what we'll now do is, once you structure it like that, you now apply. You can see this is introduction and this is your page number. You can see. So the next thing you have to do now is copy this like this. We want to centralize it. Copy it like this, then centralize. Once you centralize that first one, other ones will be centralized. You can see page 2. You can see page 3. So this is how to go about numbering your document using the two formats we do use in thesis, which is Arabic numerals of 1, 2, 3, as we have it here on my screen, and also using Roman numeral as we have here on my screen. Let's go to the body of our work and actually see the flow. This is our cover page. In our cover page, we do not have any number because it is actually not needed. In some templates, they will expect that after the cover page, you have the next page which will be blank. Nothing will be there. Just follow the template for your school. You understand? So you can see the next page being our declaration page, being page 2, but in Roman numerals. Page 3 being our approval page in what? In also in Roman numeral. Acknowledgement page also in Roman numeral being page 4. Then dedication page being in Roman numeral being page 5. Then table of content also in Roman numeral being page 6. Abstract page 7 in Roman numeral. Then we now enter the main body of the research paper. We now have our chapter 1, and we are starting our numbering from chapter 1 to be what? To be Arabic numerals. Arabic numerals. So this is how you are to go about to structure your paper. See you in the next section where we can discuss other issues, and maybe if you have any particular area you want us to discuss, if it's not actually something we have captured in our paid package, you can also we can come up with a training on that and make it available for you. With that, you can gain necessary knowledge and you keep on adding value to each other. See you next time.